Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kristen with ICStarsQuilting.com. So happy to see you. I got a lot of interest on last week's video where I shared a lot of the stuff that we are doing in 2023, at least the stuff that I have planned for 2023. I don't know what you're doing for 2023, but I have a whole lot of plans for 2023, and that is going to include my first pulling together of quilters from all over the place to one central location to hang out with me, and that is my quilt retreat. Now, I'm going to talk to you about this quilt retreat during this video. I'm going to tell you some of the stuff that we're going to do. I'm going to tell you some of the plans that I have, including how you can come hang out with me and go to this quilt retreat and be a part of something that is going to be so spectacular. You have no idea all of the things that I have planned for you, but you're going to hear about them today. Let me ask you this. Where would you think the most amazing quilter's paradise would be? Plain Jane, just get together and sew here at my house was not an option for me. I wanted it to be a blowout, epic, amazing proportion of a quilt retreat. Obviously, Quilt Town, USA. I'm going to make this trip, this retreat, so easy for you. All you're going to have to do is show up. Get yourself, get your bags, get your comfiest sewing clothes, okay? Show up at the retreat. I'm taking care of the meals for you. I'm taking care of the lodging stuff for you. I'm taking care of the projects, the classes, the parties. Everything is going to be included in this retreat, and it is going to be, let's just say +1 level, everything you could dream of, because I want this retreat weekend to be a weekend where we connect, where we have fun, where we learn new things, where we shop, where we get to know each other, where we have girl talk, where we do all these fun, wonderful things together. And then on top of all of that, we get to sew together. It's going to be amazing. And what better place to do this than in Quilt Town, USA, which I know is a personal bucket list item for me, but I know it's a big bucket list item for a lot of other people too. I'm so excited for this retreat. Like I've been planning this for a long time, and I haven't been able to tell anybody like all of the details. And when I say party, let me clarify this, because I'm not like, you know, like disco lights and crazy rave party, okay? That's not me. I mean, like, give me my comfiest pair of jammies and like a bowl of popcorn, and we're gonna sit and we're gonna have like this epic, you know, sleepover girls' night party, okay? And I promise you, you're not going to want to miss that, because I've been told that I throw the coolest parties on multiple occasions, and it's because it's something that even people who aren't extremely comfortable in like all social situations, you will be comfortable at this party. Okay, so back to the retreat. And let me tell you some more about it. So I can tell you personally, my family would absolutely make the stop if we were going like by Hamilton, Missouri. They would absolutely make a stop for a day in Quilt Town, USA for me, because I'm an important part of the family, right? They would not understand the quilt museum. They would not understand the quilt shop. They would not understand my infatuation with like the murals and all of the fun things around the town. But they would stop for me. How amazing would it be to go with people who understand it the way that you do? Now, that town still has that gorgeous little small town feel, so it's gonna feel like we're getting out, we're getting away. All you have to do is get yourself to the retreat, and I will take care of the rest, okay? It's going to be amazing. It's going to be epic. Registration is open for this retreat. If you have a quilter girlfriend that you know would love to go on this retreat, go ahead, get your tickets. I will tell you the tickets are limited. There's only 26 spots to this retreat. And because I've already opened up the enrollment for this retreat to my Stitch Sister Inner Circle group, that is my close membership group where we really like hone in on all of their quilting skills, and we get together and we talk like a couple times a month and really get close on all of their goals and their quilting, and I help them through all of the hard stuff. It's the sisters that you've never had. They get first dibs on enrollment, and several of the tickets are already gone. I do have where you can save your seat at this moment for a discounted price, okay? So make sure that you get in there, choose the payment plan, and then you can save your seat, and that will help you kind of stretch out the payments a little bit further. Now, the things that we get to do with this retreat. Okay, first of all, like I said, everything from when you enter those doors until when you leave is completely covered. All of your meals, all of your drinks, your sleeping quarters, everything is completely covered. There are 2 classes that are going to be taught by the Missouri Star Quilt Company experts, and those will be 2 classes that will be taught on one day during our retreat stay. You're not gonna wanna miss them. They're really, really amazing. These ladies are so phenomenal in their talents. They are so incredible and helpful to the retreat stay people. They love on you and will help you through everything that you need. We're going to have time to shop together. It's going to be amazing. There are quilt shops all throughout that little row of shops. We're going to be close to the Quilt Museum. We're going to be close to the Missouri Star Quilt Shop. We're going to be close to all of the murals, all of the fun, all of the history, all of the excitement. It's going to be so fun. We're going to have close contact with the Missouri Star Quilt Company staff. I have been told that if Jenny's in town, we'll get to meet her. Usually somebody in the family is around and they will drop by and say hello to us while we're at the Quilt Center, which is really pretty cool. Other things that we're going to do, we are going to have some time together, you and me. And I have to tell you, one of my most favorite bonuses to this trip is that I am going to be able to bring my mom with me on this trip. I know you don't know my mom, but you will, and she is wonderful. I love her so much, and I'm so thankful that she has the availability and the opportunity to come see this community of quilters, because she's not a quilter, okay? She's a very creative woman, and if you wonder where I get my exciting passion from, ta-da, you're gonna get to meet Miss Carol, my mom. You're going to love her. It's a absolute pleasure of mine to be able to bring her on this trip. And so that is going to be a bonus of this trip. And you and I are going to get the opportunity to really connect, to really hang out, to get your quilt questions answered, to get one-on-one support, to just have a weekend that, most importantly, you get to take care of you. And that's kind of where this dream started for me in building this retreat, okay? The title of this retreat is Refresh Retreat, and this Refresh Retreat is an opportunity for you to take care of you, okay? You know, as women, as creatives, there is a lot that goes into just powering through your day so that you have that opportunity to sew in the evenings, okay? There's a lot in making sure that all of your T's are crossed and your I's are dotted so that you have the opportunity to do the things for you. And a lot of times that's how things are. I know that that's like backwards from like the way that the experts tell you, like, you know, fill up your cup first, because if your cup's not full, you can't pour out to others. You don't know how many times I've heard that, right? But in the moment, it feels really, really hard to do that when you are trying to take care of 10,000 other cups at once, whether it be like your home, your family, your extended family, your friends, your job, extra work, side jobs, you know, also your creativity and your skills and your hobbies, right? Like, that's a lot of cups to fill. And so this Refresh Retreat is going to focus on taking care of you, having that time to pour into you, to make sure that you walk away with your cup overflowing with love for creativity, a chance to be around other people that get what you do and get why you do it. And then you're going to have all of these new skills that you're going to learn. You're going to have fun. You're going to laugh. You're going to giggle. We're going to have a wonderful time together, and I cannot wait to spend this time together with you. So I am officially announcing the enrollment to Refresh Retreat is open starting today. Right after this video, make sure you check out the link down below. You'll get all of the details, everything that's included. I have a whole list of everything that's included, plus all of the benefits and the projects that we'll be working on as well. And then I have one more bonus that you can add onto your retreat ticket if you choose. It has been a dream of mine to go and visit Angela Walters' shop, and it's like in Liberty, Missouri, which is just like an hour away from Hamilton, Missouri. So an effort to just make the party last a little bit longer, I went ahead and I booked a little bit of a day trip over there to go see her shop. It's not a full long day, but it'll be really, really fun to have the opportunity to go there. I will be taking care of the transportation and all of the other things leading up until that as well. So if you just want to, you know, come along for the ride, go ahead and add that ticket on there. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. I will be answering all your questions tonight and tomorrow. If you've been lucky enough to have been to a Missouri Star Quilt Retreat before, you know what a treat you're in for, but you have not been to one of my retreats, one of my parties. I say retreat, but I mean, I'm thinking of this as like one big long girls trip, and it's going to be amazing every single step of the way. I'm so excited for it. I'm so excited for you to see everything that's included, and I cannot wait to see you there. I'm Kristen with ICStarsQuilting.com, and I'll talk to you soon.